Wallet hunts, charging cable chaos, workspace clutter driving you insane. You're not alone. Most of us live in a constant battle against tech overload and organizational disasters. If you're tired of digging through cable graveyards just to charge your phone, hit that subscribe button now. We're about to show you 18 Amazon gadgets that'll eliminate charging cables and transform your cluttered life into seamless efficiency. These aren't just another cool gadgets list. Every item here genuinely solves real problems with innovative designs that actually work. All purchase links are in the description below. Number 18. Precision Spray Systems. Surgical accuracy replaces Jackson Pollock chaos in spraying tasks thanks to ultrafine mist technology and extended range that embarrass traditional bottles into retirement. Multiple modes adapt seamlessly to various applications, while quick color swapping eliminates tedious rinse-repeat hassles. Weekend DIY enthusiasts and professional creators achieve flawless results with minimal waste, ensuring your projects finally match those Pinterest dreams instead of becoming expectations versus reality meme material. Number 17. Gesture-controlled LED toys. Simple joy conquers complex technology with flying LED toys that deliver pure delight through gesture control and glowing trails, transforming living rooms into miniature light shows. Rechargeable power prevents premature fun termination, while lightweight builds ensure safety across all age groups. Consider these therapeutic gadgets perfect for rediscovering playful creativity and digital stress relief that actually flies through the air on command. Number 16. Steam Deck Gaming Docks. Portable gaming becomes living room domination through 4K HDR streaming that makes reality look graphically inferior. Dedicated Ethernet ports prevent Wi-Fi hiccups from sabotaging crucial victories, while immersive audio creates soundscapes so engaging you'll instinctively check for actual enemies behind you. Built-in performance displays and fan controls enable real-time tuning without gameplay interruption, with enhanced cooling maintaining comfort during just one more level marathon sessions. Number 15. Ventilated wrist support. Sweaty palms plague gamers and spreadsheet warriors equally, but dual vents now provide substantial airflow with adjustable rotation, maintaining coolness rivaling that perfect pillow flip satisfaction. Memory foam construction ensures marathon session comfort, while adjustable fan modes range from gentle breeze to minor windstorm. RGB lighting matches your setup's aesthetic perfectly because cool, comfortable wrists lead directly to improved performance and fewer embarrassing palm wiping breaks. Number 14. Universal Charging Solutions. Swiss Army knife functionality replaces chaotic cable drawer ecosystems with multifunction designs delivering high wattage charging faster than your patience depletes. Rotating heads and swivel connections prevent strain damage that typically destroys cables, extending lifespans beyond the standard 3-month retirement schedule. Compact forms ensure availability when you need them instead of sitting uselessly on distant nightstands. Cable extinction finally arrives in genuinely pocket-sized packages. Number 13. Slim Power Stations. Power stations now pack more energy than Florida orange groves into frames thinner than paperback novels, delivering substantial output that expands and boosts modes without requiring dedicated luggage space. Fast charging dramatically cuts downtime between adventures, while solar compatibility harnesses renewable energy when traditional outlets disappear. Multiple ports power your entire tech ecosystem simultaneously, with integrated LED lighting serving practical needs and dramatic campfire storytelling enhancement. Number 12. Battery Management Hubs. Scientific precision finally ends the eternal which batteries actually work mystery through auto detection, identifying battery types faster than you can question compatibility. Touchscreen interfaces and companion apps track battery health with laboratory-grade accuracy, while sleek designs combine charging, testing, and secure storage. Units worthy of premium kitchen counters replace junk drawer exile, ensuring battery roulette with remote controls becomes ancient history. Number 11. All-in-one camping equipment. Multiple functions live harmoniously in single camping gadgets, with high lumen floodlights illuminating entire campsites, while built-in mosquito repellents ensure you're not attracting bugs with brightness. Integrated spotlights, cooling fans, air pumps, Bluetooth speakers, and power banks create luxury hotel equivalents packed into single units. Substantial batteries power every function through through extended outdoor adventures, while your backpack and spine appreciate thoughtfully consolidated weight distribution. Number 10. Command Center Keyboards. Input devices evolve into comprehensive mission control centers where macro keys display live functions and memory gymnastics over mysterious F-key assignments finally end. Premium construction outlasts any desk supporting them, while per-key RGB lighting enables workflow color coding or digital disco aesthetics depending on your mood. Compact designs preserve precious desk real estate without sacrificing functionality, transforming simple typing into sophisticated digital life management. Number 9. High-pressure steam cleaners. Stubborn grime meets action hero vengeance through high-temperature steam, obliterating dirt that normally laughs at conventional cleaners, while powerful suction ensures nothing escapes justice. Single sessions handle entire living spaces without refills, and innovative designs reach neglected corners other cleaners diplomatically ignore. Fast charging transforms exhausting weekend cleaning marathons into manageable daily sprints, while sleek aesthetics deserve prominent display rather than shameful closet hiding. Number 8. Professional phone mounts. Elegant simplicity democratizes professional video creation through secure mounting attaching to smartphones more reliably than most relationships. While creator-tested features deliver optimal framing and rock-solid stability, everyday phones transform into content creation powerhouses, effectively removing barriers between creative inspiration and flawless execution. Revolutionary technology isn't always complex. Sometimes it's simply tools eliminating obstacles, preventing genuine creative expression. Number 7. Portable tire inflators. Deflated tires kill road trip momentum faster than unexpected bad weather, but today's portable inflators transform stranded drivers into confidently self-sufficient travelers through preset modes and custom PSI control reaching 150 PSI. Floating LED displays remain clearly visible during midnight emergencies, while automatic shutoff prevents overinflation disasters. Rugged construction survives trunk storage, and swappable battery systems ensure reliable power when gas station pumps mock your misfortune. Number 6. Atlas Smart Wallet. Wallet technology froze in the 1950s, but Atlas Smart Wallet fixes this oversight with genuine 5-in-1 functionality, making traditional billfolds look prehistoric. Wireless charging simultaneously powers iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch while securely holding up to 6 cards. MagSafe integration keeps everything perfectly secure, while built-in Find My tracking ends frantic couch cushions search expeditions forever. The adjustable stand props phones at perfect angles, transforming soul-crushing airport layovers into productive time. Number 5. Ergonomic split keyboards. Your wrists deserve better treatment than constant finger contortions, and split wireless designs finally mirror natural hand positioning while delivering real comfort benefits. Thumb clusters strategically place essential commands exactly where they belong, while hot swappable switches let you customize feedback from whisper quiet to satisfyingly tactile clicks. Rotary encoders add precision control, making spreadsheet navigation almost enjoyable, though expect a learning curve steeper than streaming service price increases. Number 4. Interactive tabletop miniatures RPGs enter the digital age without sacrificing tactile joy of physical board manipulation, as dynamic displays transform static character pieces into reactive entities responding intelligently to unfolding game events. Immersive sound effects add genuine tension to critical dice rolls, while tap screen access instantly reveals character statistics without tedious sheet flipping. Turn assistance maintains smooth gameplay flow faster than experienced DMs, adapting to every conceivable scenario. Number 3. Intelligent charging cables. Humble accessories develop genuine intelligence through built-in displays showing real-time charging speed and battery status, ending frustrating "is it actually working?" guessing games. Personalized animations and companion app integration transform basic utilitarian accessories into helpful digital coaches that actually care about user experience. Think charging cables that chose helpfulness over tangling themselves into impossible physics-defying knots. Number 2. Dual screen portable gaming. Nostalgic gaming gets modern muscle through dual screen designs evoking beloved classic portables, while powerful processors provide performance making vintage systems bow in respectful awe. Dual OLED touchscreens produce visuals so remarkably vibrant that reality appears undersaturated by comparison. Magnetic controllers provide tactile feedback touchscreen-only gaming cannot replicate, while substantial batteries support gaming sessions longer than adult responsibilities typically allow. Number 1. Fully adjustable keyboards. Mind-reading adaptation meets individual typing preferences through split designs, positioning exactly how your hands naturally want to work, completely ignoring restrictive factory presets. Columnar layouts align perfectly with natural finger movement patterns, while sculpted keycaps cradle each fingertip like ergonomic hammocks designed for extended comfort. Everything customizes from detailed key mapping to ambient lighting effects, and hot swap switches help you discover ideal tactile feedback. These 18 Amazon gadgets prove that the best technology solves real problems without creating new ones. From intelligent charging cables that actually communicate to ergonomic keyboards that adapt to your hands, innovation happens when designers focus on genuine daily frustrations. Which cable cutting solution caught your attention? Are you ready to eliminate charging chaos from your life? Drop a comment and let us know which gadget would transform your setup most. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more Amazon finds that actually solve problems instead of creating clutter. Thanks for watching.